welcome to a Wacky Math Wednesday. Today we're going to get wacky, make a nice picture at the end here at the beginning. Then we are going to show this number in multiple ways. We've done this before. Oh, no word bank for written form. Good thing we've been practicing. And then we're going to skip count forward by tens and hundreds. And we're going to skip count forward by 10 hundreds and 2. So let's get started. Right here at the top, if I follow my directions, it says to start with 7 rectangles. So I need rectangles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll put the 7th one down here. So rectangles, remember they have 2 sides that are the same and adjoining 2 other sides that are the same. So I want to take away 4 of those rectangles. So how many would I have if I took away 4? I had 7. If I take 4 away, I will have 3. So here are my 3 rectangles. Now my next direction is to add 5 more. So if I have 3 rectangles, how many would I need if I'm going to add 5 more? Altogether, I will have 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll put 8 down here. So what should the picture be if I have 8 rectangles? Let's see if you can guess what I'm going to draw. You think you know? Let's see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does it look like anything familiar yet? Can you tell what it is? It's going to be a train. It's a train. So with my 8 rectangles, I decided to make a train. And I have a square and a triangle in the mix. Put a little grate there. Excellent job. I wonder what you drew with your 8 rectangles. There are so many things you could have drawn. Maybe you drew a window. I wonder what you drew. Here, we're going to show multiple ways to model this number. So remember our key. What does this mean? You got it. 100. What about here? That would be a 10. And what about this here? It's a 1. So let's count. 100, 200, 300, 400. So in standard form, I would have 400 plus 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus my ones, 1, 2, 3. So what is that number in standard form? 443. You've got it. Now, do we know how to spell 443? You should have 4 100, 40, and 3. Is that what you got? Of course you did. You've been practicing this whole time. So here, this is going to be very easy for us because we're counting by tens here and we're counting by hundreds. Then here, we're going to count by tens, hundreds, and we're actually going to count by 2, which is going to change a couple of place values for us. So let's see what happens here. I have 432 and I want to count by 10. So I would have 442, 452, 462, and 472. See how the tens place changes each time? Now let's look at our hundreds. I have 432. If I'm changing the 100 forward, counting by 100, I would have 532, 632, 732, and 832. Just my hundreds place change there. Now I have a different number, and I'm going to count by tens, which we've done, hundreds, which we've done, and here I'm going to start counting by 2. So here, 185, 195. Okay, I'm at the end of that 100. What 100 comes after 100? 200. So here I'm going to go to 205. That would be the next 10 after 195. So if this is 205, I would keep going up to 215. Let's count by hundreds, starting with 175. 275, 375, 475, and 575. It was just my hundreds place that changed. Now down at the bottom here, I chose to skip count using an odd number. Usually when students or teachers skip count by 2, they always skip count with even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But you can skip count by 2 with any number. So here I have 175. If I counted 2 more, that 5 would become a 7. 177. Because I'm just counting, adding 2 to this 175. So if I added 2 more again, I would have 179. So 5, 2 more, I would have 7, 2 more, I would have 9. Now I'm going to move into the next 10. Because if I have 179 and I add 2 more, I would end up at 181. And if I added 2 more again, I would end up at 183. Skip counting by 2s is not difficult at all. You could always just use your 2 fingers and just count 175, 176, 177, 177, 178, 179. You could just count up by 2. Don't forget, this is week 8. It's a Wacky Wednesday, and I really hope that some of you all will send me your picture so I can see what you made here. Just of your paper or your book. But I just want to see what some of you all drew here. Excellent work today. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.